Hi guys, welcome to this episode of Rusty Duck Garage. This episode of Rusty Duck Garage, we're going to talk about some of the old Fords I have and a couple that I've sold. The 1940 Ford pickup you see in the pictures here, I still own that truck. It's a great little truck. The 30 Model A Roadster, I recently sold that. And the two-door sedan there, we'll talk about that. I purchased the two-door sedan at a classic car auction just because it was a great price. I paid $2,200 for the car, and it was running, driving, and it had a beautiful set of tires and wheels on it. The tires alone were over $1,200. The Model A was sold to me as a titled 1930 two-door sedan. I don't believe it to be a 1930. Probably more like a 27, 28, even possibly a T. But didn't really matter too much. You can see here in the picture, the little Model A did not like the hill that I live on. It was overheating that day, but it didn't hurt anything. It was a great little car, but it just didn't really fit what I needed, and sold it to a good friend of mine. I sold the two-door sedan and bought this 1930 Model A Roadster with a Smallblock Chevrolet in it. The little 283 that was in it had a couple of broken push rods and other issues that I squared away on it. After getting the 283 running good, I purchased online at Speedway Motors a tri-power setup for $1,300. It was a lot of money, but it really fit the car nicely and was right for the style of car, and it really ran out super. The 1930 Roadster was mounted on its set of 1932 Ford frame rails. It had the old drum brakes all the way around and a Ford F1 steering box with kingpin front straight axle. I believe it was a drop axle. The tri-power setup on this 1957 283 that had never been rebuilt really made this thing rip. And this lightweight car, it was actually a little on the scary side. I've had cars with a lot of horsepower, but just the handling, the brakes, and the characteristics of these cars doesn't take a whole lot of power to kind of get your attention, and this one certainly did. Thank you for watching this episode of Rusty Duck Garage. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you would, please hit that like button, and if you would, hit the subscribe button. That really helps us out. Thank you very much, and we'll try to continue to post more videos similar to this one. Thank you.